Welcome, family. Today is another beautiful day for me to share with you how I make this delicious fried rice. If today is your first time here, join the family. Let's cook. The ingredients are parboiled rice, cooked shrimps, mixed vegetables, curry powder, nor powder, bay leaves, white onion, olive oil, scotch bonnet pepper, and salt. Wash the rice until the water is clear. Add rice to the pot, top with water, cover it, and cook for 20 minutes. While rice is cooking, chop the onions. After about 20 minutes, the rice is not yet fully cooked. It will get fully cooked by the time you stir fry it. It's still semi-hard. Transfer the rice to a drainer. Drain the water very well. Heat up oil, add onions, and stir fry for about a minute or two. Add curry powder. Curry powder gives fried rice its color and adds to the flavor and fragrance. Continue to stir fry. Add no powder. After about a minute, it's time to add the mixed vegetables. Stir fry for a minute or two. And then add the protein of choice. I used shrimp. Combine everything very well. Now is the time to taste for salt and seasoning. You want to add all the seasonings before you add rice. Add scotch bonnet pepper. This is optional. I just want it a little spicy. Add the rice. Combine very well. You want everything to mix properly. Now, if you fry the rice in batches, as I did, ensure to combine both batches at the end so that you will get an even taste. You don't want to have different taste of rice. Combine very well. This is a recipe that I'm proud of sharing with you. It's a crowd pleaser anytime, any day. Try it and let me know how yours came out. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will know when I share another recipe. Please give us thumbs up and continue to support our channel. We appreciate you because you are helping our channel to grow. Share with your friends and family. Remove the bay leaves before you serve the rice. Thanks for watching. Until next video, this is Nkiru O, wishing you the best through life. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.